Welcome to Product Guide Hub. The best headlight cleaning kit is probably one of the most overlooked car care products, but it can make a huge difference. Cloudy or yellowed headlights not only look bad, but they also reduce visibility, especially at night. In this video, we're diving deep into the world of headlight restoration to help you choose the perfect kit and bring back that crystal clear shine. Number 5. Sylvania Headlight Restoration Kit. Tired of hazy, yellowed headlights? This kit is designed to repair two headlight lenses. It restores light output, giving you a like-new appearance. This Sylvania kit is incredibly easy to use. Everything you need is included, and no tools are required. It's a simple solution for a common problem. The kit effectively eliminates haze and yellowing. This improves the look of your car. It also enhances your safety on the road. See the road clearly at night with this kit. It restores the clarity and shine of your headlights. This helps you drive safely. This all-in-one system includes a surface activator, sandpaper, clarifying compound, and a UV block clear coat. It's everything you need for a complete restoration. Sylvania has over 100 years of lighting experience. They provide quality products. You can trust this kit to get the job done right. What we like. This kit is incredibly easy to use, making it perfect for anyone who wants to restore their headlights without any hassle. It restores clarity and improves night driving visibility. If you are looking for a simple, no tools required solution to restore your headlights to like-new condition, this is the one for you. What people say. Super clear results, removed years of oxidation and brought back the clarity of brand new lenses. Easy 3-step process. The included instructions are very clear, and the materials are all labeled and easy to use. Includes UV clear coat. This is what sets it apart from cheaper kits. It protects the lenses and keeps them from re-yellowing. Number 4. Turtle Wax 51768 Headlight Restore Kit. Is your headlight looking dull and yellowed? This kit can dramatically restore them to like-new clarity. It's a simple solution to improve your visibility while driving. This kit effectively removes medium oxidation from your headlights. It helps to clear away the haze that builds up over time. The result is a much brighter and clearer light. By restoring your headlights, this kit significantly improves lens appearance. This leads to better visibility, making your driving experience safer, especially at night. Not only does it restore, but it also seals the headlights. This helps prevent future yellowing, keeping them clear for longer. It's a long-term solution for headlight maintenance. You don't need any power tools to use this kit. It provides superior results with a simple application process. It's designed for ease of use, so you can get great results quickly. What we like. This kit dramatically restores dull, yellowed headlights to like-new clarity. It improves lens appearance and visibility for safer driving. If you want a kit that delivers superior results without the need for a power tool, this is the perfect choice. What people say. I used this headlight restoration kit to clear up some light fog and yellowing on my car's headlights before a long night drive, and I was really impressed by the results. Just the first 2 steps, the included liquid cleaner and polish, were enough to noticeably brighten the lenses and improve visibility. The kit does include sanding pads if your headlights need more intensive restoration, which makes it a well-rounded and affordable solution. Number 3. Mother's NuLens Headlight Renewal Kit. Are your headlights looking cloudy or yellowed? This kit is designed to quickly and safely restore clarity to your headlights. It will make them look like new again. This kit is safe for all types of smooth, shiny plastic and acrylic headlights. It easily cleans away yellowing and stains. You don't have to worry about damaging your headlights. The kit can even buff out unsightly hairline scratches, smudges, and flaws in a single step. It will improve the look of your car. The results are amazing. The included polish leaves a tough protective layer. This layer guards against future degradation from the elements. It helps keep your headlights looking clear. The kit includes a 3-inch backing plate, Powerball 4 lights polishing tool, restoration discs, and 8 ounces of polish. Everything you need is included in the box. Get yours today. What we like. This kit quickly and safely restores, maintains, and protects all types of smooth plastic headlights to crystal clarity. It easily cleans away yellowing and even buffs out scratches. If you like a kit that not only restores but also protects with a tough polymer layer, this is the ideal choice. What people say. It was simple, it was easy to use, and the results were amazing. My headlights look fantastic, and I am very satisfied. My headlights are clean and bright, and I can see at night again. It should work well. Removed all of the yellowing on the headlights. Followed the directions, and it was easy. 2 different grits for the wet sanding. 1 round of higher grit without water. Finished with the polish wheel and the included compound. Great product. Number 2. Chemical Guys Headlight Restore and Protect 16 fluid ounces. Driving at night is safer with clear headlights. This product ensures that your headlights remain clear, improving your vision and reaction time. It helps you stay safe on the road. This product does more than just clean. It protects your headlights from the elements that cause yellowing and cloudiness. It ensures long-lasting performance in any weather. Avoid expensive headlight replacements. With this product, you can easily restore and maintain your headlights. It keeps them clear and effective, saving you money. This product is simple to apply and provides a DIY solution. It restores headlights to a like-new condition. It keeps your vehicle's lighting system bright and clear. Looking for a great gift? This product is a thoughtful and practical present for car lovers. It helps keep their vehicle headlights safe and shining bright all year round. What we like. This product ensures headlights stay clear, enhancing night vision and overall road safety. It seals the surface to guard against harmful elements. If you are looking for a cost-effective solution to maintain your headlights and improve road safety, you should consider this. What people say. With just a simple application, the advanced formula effectively removes the faded, hazy appearance of my headlights, revealing the pristine plastic beneath. After restoring clarity, it seals the surface, safeguarding against harmful elements that cause yellowing and oxidation. Improved visibility means safer driving, especially at night or in adverse weather conditions. Number 1. Rain-X Headlight Restoration Kit. Tired of cloudy headlights? This kit from Rain-X is your solution. It erases scratches and smooths the surface, giving you a polished finish. This kit includes a protective sealant. It extends the life of your restoration, shielding the headlights from future damage and keeping them clear. Whether you're a beginner or experienced, this kit is easy to use. It provides hassle-free restoration for less effort and maximum results. Improve night driving with clearer, brighter headlights. The kit removes impurities and grime, ensuring safer road trips with better visibility. Unlike hand sanding, this system guarantees consistent, professional quality results. It gives you extended protection against future weather and road grime. What we like. This kit delivers professional-grade results at a fraction of the cost. It includes a protective sealant that extends the life of the restoration. If you are an experienced DIY enthusiast or a beginner, and want a long-lasting solution, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. To get them to really look great is to apply the product either onto the headlight area or a circular pad that goes onto a drill with at least 1800 RPMs. The kit works good, but the drill attachment is hard plastic and is easy to tip the edge onto the headlight and score it. The budding compound and sponge attachment combo for step 4 though is awesome and works with whatever contour you have. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.